Yo, YouTube. Back at it again. New latte station coming from the BRC. Rainy day outside. Got that train right next to me, all 143s. Yes, sir, all 143s. Walking with it. How's y'all day today? Mine was a blessing. It was good enough for me to tell. Do tell. Had a good day. Waiting for the L train to come now. Waiting for it to see where it's at. And hopefully it should be good. Oh yeah, big shout out to the homie Mike for letting me do his thing. Shout out to you, man. There's some good gummy worms. But shout out to the homie Mike. I don't see no train coming. It should be coming soon. Yeah, so you know. Wait for another train to come in. Wait for the train to come in today. All 160s. Got the all 160s on the rebound. Today agenda, new Roblox, new Dawn Transit. After that, go to bed. So, for any information, you know what to do, comment below, put a like, subscribe. Catch y'all next time. Peace.